The single arm face-away Bayesian cable curl is an excellent move for isolating the long head of the biceps to help build the peak. For efficiency, if you have access to a dual cable stack, try doing this exercise with both arms simultaneously. Facing away from the cable machine maintains constant tension on the biceps throughout the full range of motion and allows for a deep stretch of the long head due to the arm position behind the torso. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a D-handle grip to a pulley on the cable machine adjusted to hand height. Stand with your back to the machine and grab the handle with an underhand grip. Step forward a few feet to create tight tension in the cables. You can stagger your stance for stability by placing 1 foot forward and 1 foot back, or keep your feet side by side, but just ensure you keep your core engaged. Position your working arm and elbow slightly behind your body to feel a stretch in your biceps. Curl the handle by bending your elbows while keeping the elbow fixed behind your body to avoid drifting forward. At the top, squeeze your biceps for a peak contraction. Control the descent back to the starting position, allowing a full stretch in your biceps. Repeat for reps while avoiding any swinging or jerking movements. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.